So I have done all the preparation to upgrade from Windows 8.1 PC to Windows 10. In section 1 lecture 3, as per system upgrade requirements, you should have Windows Update enabled. To ensure the settings, go to Control Panel by right click on Start icon and then select Control Panel. Then look for System and Security category. Open it and go to Windows Update. From the left side, select Change Settings and see what kind of settings are currently selected. Change it to Install Update Automatically, which is also recommended. So if your system is now really up to date, you will find a Get Windows 10 icon on the bottom right corner on the taskbar that looks like Windows logo. Some people may not be able to see this Get Windows 10 option because the system is not updated with the latest version of Windows Update. In this case, you need to go to Windows 10 upgrade web page by typing microsoft.com/windows in the browser address bar. From this page, click Upgrade button. Now you are on a download page. Click Download Now button. A web installer will be downloaded. Open and run the installer. Keep in mind that you should have a stable and fast internet connection as well. It requires a 3 GB of background download to complete the current progress. Depending on your internet bandwidth, it will take some time. It will start downloading Windows 10. You already know that 3 GB of background downloading is involved in this operation. Once download is complete, you can start the upgrading or schedule it later to install. Depends on your internet bandwidth, it may take few more time to complete the download. After downloading, Windows is preparing the system for installation. This process will also take few more time. Now accept Microsoft Software License Terms and Condition. Your upgrade is ready to install. I'm going to start it now. You will see Windows 10 update progress. In this step, do not turn off your computer. Windows will automatically shut down the system. After a restart, Upgrade Windows window will appear. It will be copying files, installing features and drivers, and will configure the settings. By this time, your PC will restart several times. Now sit back and relax. Windows will take care of everything. Now you can see the percentage of total upgrading process. Currently it is copying the files. After copying files, it starts installing features and drivers. And then Windows will start configuring settings. I'm going to pause the video until it completes the task 100%. It's getting ready now. Here we go. This is Windows 10 welcome screen. Yes, we have made it. Click the next button. In this window, you can change your own settings by clicking Customize Setting links, but for now I am going to use Express Settings. In the mid Cortana page, select Use Cortana button. Click Next and it will finalize the settings. So Microsoft will give you a message that we have upgraded your PC. All the personal files and data, application and settings will exactly remain the same where you left in Windows 8.1 PC. Hooray! I have just got Windows 10. This is the very first look of Windows 10. Windows 10 will keep everything that you have in Windows 8.1. So this upgrade process is really amazing. I hope you can also complete your Windows upgrading process successfully. Enjoy the latest technology from Microsoft.